All right, back again. All right, come on now, let's do it. Come on and do it. Do it. Do it to satisfy. Oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Nothing like fishing. Nothing like the peace and the tranquility and the solitude that you get when you're fishing, man. You know, it's like this is how God intended for it to be. This is where you get the relaxation, man. This is where it all come back to you. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, something swerved there. I'm about to get his attention. Yep, something big swerved there. I'm gonna get his attention. Come on, come on. There we go. Oh, we were getting a nice hit. Come on now. Come on. There might be a little bit of thing there. Oh, what a nice pull. Ooh, man, he's pulling like a R33. Come on now. Nah, you're trying to go over there and get hung, buddy. Ooh. Now, that's what I'm talking about. That's a nice mamma jamma by Carl Carter. She's a bad mamma jamma. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's a nice mamma jamma. Oh, man. Why'd you do that? Why did you do that? Now I gotta like get a stick and help you get back into the water, man. You just let me throw you over in the corner while I put all the rest of them in, then you'd have been straight. Now, can you work it from there? I think you can. I'm gonna leave that stick right there just in case. If you can't, then I'll help you out a little bit more. Come on, you gotta wiggle. All right, back to the honey hole again. One more time. Watch it, hit, look at it, hit already. Oh yeah, buddy. Come on. Ooh-wee. I'm sorry, that must be like that must be like the crick game over in there, like South Central LA somewhere up in there. Every time you land in there, boy, you get shot up. See, that's why I tried to do to your buddy, but he want to get nutty. All right, I gotta help him out because he's still in the same place. Come on. There you go. Put that old stick there. I need to get some more lights. Let's get back to where it all began, baby. All right, I'm gonna pause again because I like pausing sections.